see one of the battery clamps was getting loose all the time because that cable needs to be replaced. I cannot tie it anymore, and look at that. We have a stick here, just a chunk of wood. Let's pull this guy out. Perfect. It's dry, good for firewood. And there's a positive battery clamp, and it's, look at that, boom, it came out. It's cold. So outside we have a -10 right now. Of course it won't start because you have a bad connection. Okay, we'll show you how to do the farm fix, and this one was absolute redneck. It's not too bad, but eventually this cable needs to be replaced. At least we have to cut this clamp and crimp a new one, but we're not going to do it right now. We're just going to fix it. Let's take a bolt out. Right, bolt is out, and as you can see here, we almost don't have any gap in between two sides, lips. What we're going to do, use a zippy cutter and make this gap big enough to tight this clamp around the battery terminal. Safety goggles, of course. Check it out. Now we have a tons of gap, and we'll be able to pull them tight, and that will save us time, money. I'm going to disconnect the negative battery terminal because it's pretty tight over there, and I might touch the ground. We don't want to short anything. You're on the safe side. Also, I'm going to clean this clamp and a terminal with a wire brush. When you have to disconnect the battery, you need to disconnect the negative first and then positive. If you accidentally touched when negative is connected and shorted a positive to the ground, you will have a short. When you're going to connect, you connect the positive first. If you touch the ground, our negative is still disconnected, and then connect the negative. We'll flip this nut this way, because if you put it like that, you won't be able to tie it properly. Okay, let's open it up a terminal a little bit. It's coming pretty easy, like so. Here we go. Nice. All right, now I'm going to tighten that nut and connect my negative. Both battery terminals are good, clamps are tight, good connection, and also I have this good stuff, battery terminal protector. I'll spray over the terminals, and that will prevent the corrosion. Okay, let's do that guy too. That's it. Simple fix. Let's go start the machine. Make sure everything works. Glow plugs. Yeah, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Okay. Easy. Nice. Bye bye now, and see you next time.